Why do you say that?
That wind is outrageous.
That wind is really strong.
Well, bet. Seriously, the power's being out soon?
Oh, it will be. If the wind keeps up like this with all that snow sitting on shit.
Really, good thing we're charging everything while we can.
Yep.
No. Yeah?
Look how high the snow is around the car.
Oh my gosh.
It's almost up to her bumper.
I don't think you're going to work tomorrow.
No.
You'll be trapped.
Walking in a winter wonderland. Then we'll go get socks on.
Just hear that. Look at that.
I know. Can't see shit out there. Can't see the church that's right there.
You can't look over there either.
No.
You can't see all the other apartments.